By the end of this short video, you're going to understand what option sets are in Bubble, why they're useful, and when you might want to use it instead of your database. Option sets are a way in Bubble to store a predefined list of items that users can choose from. So you can think of it kind of like if you want to have a drop-down menu of options in your app, option sets are a great way to do that. So here I have two examples. We have a day of the week and we have a size. So size could be, if you want to let users select their t-shirt size, for example, you want to have these option sets, so small, medium, large, extra large, so users can choose from those. Day of the week, let's say you want users to select the day of the week, for example. This day of week option set would allow users to do that. Now you might be thinking, why wouldn't I store that information in my database as a day of the week or size? And the reason is that with option sets, they are going to pass through between both your development version and your test version of your app. So if you have information in your app database, that data is going to be different on your test version and on your live version. So it'll be a little bit kind of tricky and not optimal to do it in that way, because you have to make sure that on your live version of your database, you add in this information as well. So in theory, you could potentially store information like this in your database, but option sets are just a much easier way to do that. I use option sets in just about every app that I build. I find it really helpful, and I think that you will as well. If you have any questions about option sets, please leave a comment below. And if you want to learn more about building option sets in real apps and real world projects, check out the link in the description and go to No Code MBA's Building Apps with AI course or Building Apps in Bubble course, where we'll teach how to build real Bubble apps using things like option sets. And be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for future content right here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.